here, but I think all is well. I think there's a little on my pants, but otherwise we're fine.
Okay,
that was
looking
wild.
good. You're okay. I know. And that's the last Big 12 Bedlam game.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it ended on a crazy note for sure.
Always. That's crazy. Nuts. Guys, today we really have to be concerned for fire danger. That's one of the big stories. High heat, record-breaking, low humidity, and we're talking a lot of Oklahoma wind. Take a look at this video. This is from last night around 10:30. Dylan Berry posted this. This is near Putnam in Dewey County, and this is one of a few fires yesterday that did get out of control. Look at the graders there working to make those fire breaks in a bad location, we're told from Dylan, due to all the cedar trees and just the terrain. Volunteer firefighters working tirelessly through the overnight to try to get a handle on that. And the concern is that today, when the winds pick up, any of these hot spots left over could turn into a wildfire. And it's not just that fire, which, by the way, I'm pointing to the dot on the map. It is a dot on the map compared to all the other fires as well. All of these red spots were controlled or prescribed burns yesterday. You probably saw the smoke across the region, kind of 360 degrees. That's because folks were burning off their property, which is usually a really good thing. It's necessary. But the problem is today, when the winds pick up, if there's hot spots left over, embers, that could go down the line and could reignite a wildfire. So please be careful. Watch your property today. If you see smoke in an area, call the fire department, let them know so they can get a handle on it as soon as possible. The Forestry Service is staging today as well, and what could be a big fire day. Tomorrow the conditions look even worse. It's all in advance of a storm system that's dumping heavy snow in the northwest. That's going to come through the Rockies. It's going to dump snow in Kansas tomorrow. Ahead of it, south winds and west winds are being pulled up. Low humidity. We're already getting a little bit of a wind there on our Lucky Star Skycam network. 46 in downtown. And what that will do is if a fire gets started, it will cause it to burn, could burn out of control. It's 55 in Jones, but 43 in Piedmont. Look at Chickasha. You're set at 37. If your winds are light to calm, it feels chilly this morning. 36 in Cherokee, 36 in Stillwater, 51 in Pauls Valley, but 64 in Cheyenne, where the winds are up a little bit. Across the metro, it's a 5 to a 15-mile-an-hour wind. Your Monday morning looks fantastic. Winds are a little stronger in western Oklahoma for now, but I do think once we get to about 10, 11 o'clock noon, winds start to pick up, could have some gusts to 30, 35 in the metro. Sun comes up at 7:04, and it goes to work. Record-shattering highs today. 70s and mid-upper 80s, 90s in southern Oklahoma. And I just looked because I was trying to remind myself, the hottest temperature we have had in Oklahoma City in the month of February is 92. So we're not breaking all-time record highs, but we are breaking a daily high today. 86 in Stillwater, 83 in Woodward, again, 90 Altus, and in Ardmore. Here's your wind timeline. Watch how the winds start to pick up, especially in the west. 35 to 40 mile-an-hour wind. It'll be a wind from the west to the east, burning those fires, again, from the west to the east. If there are fires in western Oklahoma today, some of that smoke could easily make it into the metro. We'll have a fire threat in central Oklahoma as well. Winds relax some this evening and tonight, and they pick up tomorrow. Already by 8 a.m., 35 could have gusts to 40, maybe even 50 miles per hour in western Oklahoma tomorrow, and a west wind tanks the humidity. Then a north wind takes hold tomorrow night into your Wednesday and drops the wind chills down to feeling like full-blown winter. So hang on tight. It's a very wild weather week. We've got moderate to high fire danger today. Cloud cover built in. A weak storm system passes by today. It'll actually try to produce some precipitation in the cloud cover. I don't think that'll make it to the surface, but that can also ramp up the winds. And then tomorrow, high to extreme fire danger. Humidity as low as 11% with winds 45 to 50. It could be bad. There's not really a major raging drought at all across Oklahoma, but in February, we have dormant vegetation. Things are trying to bud out and bloom, but we haven't got there yet, and that vegetation would be fuel for fires. Highs today, mid-upper 80s. Look at your temperatures coming up over the next couple of days. We go from the heat to the cold as the front presses in. We will have a quick cold shot. It's out of here Wednesday afternoon. There are a few showers possible Thursday. We're back to the 70s and 80s on Saturday. Very warm before a storm system comes in that could spark thunderstorms and severe weather for late Sunday evening into Sunday night. We're watching it closely. Tonight, we're talking 60s, mid-60s, record-breaking warm lows tonight. Tomorrow, lower mid, upper 80s, but more windy. And then Wednesday, wind chills into the teens and 20s. There's that chance of rain on Thursday. Friday, March 1st, upper 60s. 80 on Saturday with that chance for storms coming up that could be severe. Sunday, we're monitoring it closely. And that's all we can do for now. We're back right after this break.